of the things you have to do when you're camping is eat. And so on today's Jeep Adventure, we're going to focus on the culinary aspects of campground food. And, you know, it can be so boring, especially if I'm in charge. I'm pretty much a blasé kind of a, you know, ramen noodles and hot dogs kind of a guy. But boy, if you take the time to do something out of the ordinary and a little creative, it makes a much more memorable and delicious experience. So that's what we're going to focus on in today's adventure.
So my husband got this with his son Addison probably 4 years ago. And we have not even used it yet. So I decided to give it a try today.
Let's go.
And this bottom goes down. If I'm not mistaken, this is inside the box. And then you lift it up, and then you lock it, and then it should look like this.
Oh, there's shelves in there.
And here's the shelving right here. And then this goes in there.
Okay. Or you can put them in different places.
The bottom has to be over the burner.
Right, okay. Sound effects are of Jack, who thinks he deserves a snack or something.
And then if you look over there on the other side, I've got some muffin mix already into little muffin pans, and see if it works.
1, 2, 3, 6 of them.
Wow, 350 already.
Just about.
Oh my goodness, it's 325. Here we go, 350 in.
And how long did that take? 400. How high do you want it for these muffins?
350.
Okay. So it'll cool down. Okay. I'm gonna cook one flavor at a time.
There we go. And let it cook.
And it's down to 375. Okay, making good progress.
Top.
Getting brown.
Okay.
You gonna poke a toothpick or something in there? How do you tell they're done?
I'll put a fork in.
Fork? Okay. I'll put a fork and two and put it to my mouth.
No, a little bit longer.
A little longer? Okay.
Right.
It's been, what, 15 minutes right now?
Yeah.
Not quite.
Ooh, that's hot. Quick.
All done? Not sure?
That one needs to be a little bit longer.
This will get the flavor.
Yeah.
Thank you. Mmm. That's good. That's really good. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day.